Have a GOR file from the Gorky 17 strategy game? This is a save game file from the post-apocalyptic tactical RPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Gorky 17 saved game files for continued play. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the GOR format, but we'll attack the top issues first. GOR files are saved game files for Gorky 17, also known as Odium, a 1999 tactical role-playing game by Metropolis Software. They preserve complete game state, including character positions, inventory contents, combat status, quest progress, and story flags, enabling players to resume their post-apocalyptic adventure across multiple gameplay sessions. Gorky 17 GOR files use a game-specific binary format, storing save data with player character information, world state progression markers, and game configuration. The format follows Metropolis software specifications, integrating with the game engine for complete game state preservation across save and load operations during gameplay. The industry standard application for GOR is considered to be Gorky 17 from Metropolis Software. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows shows only superficial attributes, so accessing real content depends on modding utilities. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your GOR file, then click Open With. Test Gorky 17 if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If your GOR file will not open, do not worry. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, loading in Gorky 17. Launch Gorky 17 from your installation or via Steam GOG version. Access the in-game load menu from the main screen or pause menu during gameplay. Select the desired GOR save file from the displayed list. The game restores the complete state and continues from the save point. Next, locating save files. GOR save files reside in the Gorky 17 installation directory, typically in a save subfolder. Modern installations may use platform-specific save locations, like Documents folder or Cloud Sync directories. Check game documentation or right-click the game in Steam to find save locations for your installation. Finally, backing up saves. Copy GOR save files regularly to backup locations, preventing loss of game progress. The compact size of save files makes cloud backup straightforward. Use Steam Cloud where available for automatic backup and synchronization across devices when playing the game on multiple computers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.